What's up, Mr. O here, and today I'm gonna go over with linear regression using a graphing calculator. I have some kids mentioned that the first video did not work, so I'm gonna make another one to make sure that you guys all can relearn and watch at home on how to use your graphing calculator in solving for the linear regression. Okay, so I'm going to use the question from our study guide. In number 23, it says there from your study guide. Okay, this is your copy of your study guide. So the back portion. The table below shows the altitude of a plane once it begins its descent to a runway. Write an equation to model the data using linear regression. So the table is given here is R0 and 28,500. 1 is 26,378 feet, and so on and so forth. So we know here that the variables are, this is the X and that's the Y. X represent the time or the minutes. Y is the altitude or the height, all right, so anyway, we're again, like I said, we're gonna use a graphing calculator here. So I need you to always clear the memory of your calculator by, again, second plus sign 712. That will clear our memory of our graphing calculator. And in order for us to plug in or input this in our calculator, we're gonna press stat 1. In the L1 are the X values. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to press enter after the number. 0, enter. 1 number. 2, enter. 3 number. And so on and so forth. For the L2, I'm going to type in 28,500. Enter. 26, 378. Enter. 24, 105. Enter. 21, 774. Enter. 19, 452. Enter. 17, 991. Enter. Okay? Make sure that you have the right data on your calculator, because if it's wrong, your equation might be wrong, and then your answers on your paper or in your project might mess up, so we try to avoid that one. Okay, so anyway, I've checked it and everything looks good. So for me to find the equation, I'm going to press stat, go over to the right, go to the lin reg. Most of us have number 4 there. You can press enter 4, and then go to calculate, scroll down, then enter. This will give me y is equal to ax plus b, wherein a is equal to negative 2,161.542857, and I need only up to 3 decimal value or round up nearest thousands. So mine here will be 543. And my y-intercept is 28,437.19. So my equation here is y is equal to negative 2161.543 x plus 28,437.19. That's my linear regression. Find the height. We're looking for the height. The height is the y, the altitude. Find the height of the plane after 8 minutes. So 8 minutes is your x value. So you're going to plug in the 8 to the x. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in the calculator. Negative 2161.543 times 8. Enter. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, my bad. So negative 2161.543 times 8. Enter. Then I'm gonna add it by 28,437.19. The answer is 11,144.846 feet after 8 minutes. And how long will it take the plane to land? So means say by that time, the value of your height, the altitude will be y is equal to 0. So I'm going to make 0 here. 0 is equal to negative 2161543x plus 28437.19. I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to move this one to the left. And then divide 2161.543x equal to 28437.19. Divide them all. So that will give me 28437.19. Make sure the numbers are right. Divide by 2161.543. It will happen in 13.156 seconds, minutes. It will land by then, okay? Wait for the next video. I'm gonna go over the same problem using Google Sheet and to show you how to do it again and show you how to make your project, okay? I hope you learned something. Kaboom!